Now at this time we'd like to make our first project, which will be a square plate with 4 holes, mounting holes. We go up and pick our template here, and our template comes up here, a square template. We're going to use it, and there's our preview. Okay, looks good so far. Now what we want to do is make our mounting holes in the template, and we'll extrude it later. So we go up and get our template. Make him a little bit larger. There we go. Now we want to make our mounting holes, so at this time we'll make our mounting holes here. We'll draw them out to say 200. There we go. Looks good. We'll make another mounting hole over here. Draw him out. Oh, right click. Sorry. Need to right click to set up our previous command and draw him out to 200. Looks good. We go down, right click again here, and 205 looks good. Draw him out to 200. We go over here to the other side. 205 looks good. Right click to get our operation proof, and then we'll draw him out to 200. Looks good. So now we have all of our holes on our plate. Looks good. So then we'll go up to view, and we'll go over to orbit. And at this time now we can stretch this out a little bit too, so we can see our items, because these subtract up. So we see our items. Now we'll want to pick on our extrusion. We want to pick here our object. Now we want to pick our other objects inside of here, and they'll all be extruded as solids, and then what we want to do is subtract it out. So now that we have our item picked, we'll go up here and do a right click. Now they're all selected, and it says now we need a, down here it says we need a height, which we normally already knew, and what we'll do is do it at 10.0. You can see that right by the cursor it tells us what we're going to do. Do a right click, and there it is. But we need to see it in a little different view. So we'll turn him up a little bit like that, and maybe drag him down a hair. Okay, click off of there. So now we want to subtract out our holes, which is the next part of the operation. So we go up here and do subtract. We subtract what we subtract. We're going to subtract from, and there's the item that we're going to subtract the elements from, and it tells us one's found. We want to right click, and now it says the solid regions to be removed or subtracted. So we go find them. There's one. And we go over here and find another one. There's one. We go down here and find another one. There's one. We go and find another one. There's one. Now we have all 4 of them done. So we right click, and wow, the holes are there. So that's the end of this project.